Hello everybody, Brian Clark, President, Founder of Attorneys Funding Group, and today I'd like to speak with you a little bit about VA mortgages and more specifically trying to educate real estate agents at the same time. So I am an attorney, but prior to becoming an attorney, I spent 6 years in the United States Marine Corps, and the veterans are very near and dear to my heart. I look out for them as much as I possibly can, and I look out for all of my clients. But there's a special place in my heart for all veterans and first responders. That said, I get asked the question a lot from my loan officers, other loan officers, and even clients. What's going to happen when I present my offer and I say that I'm using my VA eligibility? Well, over the last several years, things have gotten a little bit better, but I still find that there's a lot of misinformation about VA loans, and more specifically the way that real estate agents view that. So, for instance, a real estate agent is listing a home, and they receive two offers. One's a conventional loan, one is a VA loan. They're both identical offers, but for whatever reason, the real estate agent opts for the conventional offer as opposed to the VA offer, because the conventional offer either has a down payment or has something or just seems easier to understand than a VA loan. Well, what I want to do today is again, dispel those myths, get rid of all that misinformation, because VA loans are just as good as any other loan in the marketplace, if not better, because what VA loans allow for the buyer to do is have the flexibility of an FHA loan with the convenience and the benefit of no mortgage insurance like you would have on a conventional loan at 80% loan to value or less. So what I don't want agents to do is view that as a negative. Just because the client isn't bringing a down payment doesn't mean that they're less worthy of a buyer. All that means is that they serve this country and they get the benefit of having access to that loan. That's all that it really comes down to. In the past, VA loans had strict requirements with respect to fees, who could pay what, who could charge what, and a lot of that has really gone by the wayside. And I would really encourage real estate agents to embrace VA loans, embrace their buyers who serve this country and have that VA eligibility, because they truly can do really good for their family because of that 100% financing. There's no mortgage insurance that accompanies that, and they still have access to the best rates and terms that are available in the marketplace. So that said, I strongly encourage all real estate agents to take a second look when they get an offer that's accompanied with a VA loan, and truly do your best to understand that there really is no difference, and in fact they're really easy to facilitate. There's lots of flexibility with VA loans that you're just not going to get with conventional loans. And so that said, I want to thank the men and women who serve this country currently, all the men and women who have served, and certainly all the men and women who have given their lives in defense of this country. That said, thank you very much for listening, and I encourage anyone to call any one of our offices in Roseville, San Ramon, Manteca, or San Diego, and if you are a veteran, please just let us know in advance, and we will do all the things that are necessary to facilitate a VA loan for you. Thank you very much.